Welcome to the WP Training Kit, video number 20, How to Use WordPress Plugins. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn everything about WordPress plugins. We'll see step-by-step how to install and activate new plugins in your WordPress dashboard. So let's get started. On the WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins. Choose Add New option. You can install plugins from here. Search plugins from Featured, Popular, Recommended, and Favorites. Or you can search it directly from this search box. Let's search something for Contact Form. Here we can see all the relatable plugins. We are going to select the top one. It has 5 million plus active installations and is compatible with our WordPress version with its last updated details. So click on this Install Now button. It's installed. Then click on this Activate button. You can see all your installed plugins here. You can come here directly from this Installed Plugins option. So from here, you can delete some unnecessary plugins or deactivate the ones you don't need. You can also activate it again from here only. After activation, the plugin is added here on the dashboard. So that's pretty much everything with the WordPress plugins. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we are going to learn step-by-step how to set menus in WordPress. See you in the next video tutorial.